Hey, this is Dave from houseparents.com. Today we're going to show you some walkway ideas, and specifically some walkway ideas on a budget that can really help spruce up your curb appeal to your house. Today we're working on the walkway sidewalk to the front entrance of this house. We've been doing it bit by bit. The process is pretty straightforward, just a matter of following the steps. Okay, first things first, we had to dig out the area where the sidewalk was actually going to go. We had to dig down about a foot and clear out a lot of dirt. Once all that dirt was cleared out, we were ready to put in our forms for our basic outline. Once that was complete, we filled in the outlined area with gravel. We compacted the 6 to 8 inch gravel base. That gives a super firm foundation for each one of those concrete slabs. Once that was compacted, we could go ahead and do the final framing for the forms for each of the individual sidewalk slabs. And before we took the forms off, we made sure to backfill the areas that were going to get decorative rock just to the bottoms of the forms. After we backfilled, we took the form boards off and laid down the black landscaping fabric, the weed barrier fabric. Here we had to be sure and put down landscape fabric before the rocks go on, just to help battle some of the weeds, because you don't want to be picking out weeds between your rocks a whole lot, so that'll help some. The slabs are 3 feet by 3 feet and 4 inches thick. Once that weed barrier fabric was down, we could go ahead and put the rocks on. The cost of a concrete sidewalk like this is in parts. You probably have about $200 to $300 in the decorative rock. If you have the concrete walkway poured, then that's probably going to be somewhere in the $800 range. If you do it yourself, you can probably cut that in half, but really step up the curb appeal of your house. All we really had to do after that was to take a hose and hose off the dust off the rocks. Certainly curb appeal is important for the value of your house, and nothing's gonna say more than the entrance to your house, and specifically your walkway. Whether you're looking for front walkway ideas or back walkway ideas, this would apply to either. You can take basic concrete slabs and truly make a unique look. We achieved the final look that we were going for, and voila, we're done. Don't forget to subscribe. If you got anything out of this, give us a thumbs up. If you got any questions, go ahead and drop us a line. We'll get back to you as soon as we can. Thanks a lot for watching. We'll see you next time.